Welcome to the 6th update of the Community Lambo. First of all, thank you for watching the videos. This will not work without you. Thank you for all the comments, likes and shares. Unfortunately, the past 2 weeks were not so successful as the weeks before. This time we were only able to collect approximately 30 cents. It's 29 and a little bit. And a new round of the guessing game. How far can we get in the upcoming 2 weeks? Leave a comment with your tip. There's also a new update to the website for the Community Lambo. You can see now when the next part is added, and you can see which value we need to add the next part. The metrics are updated daily, and you can see when it was last updated. Also this time I have a new order and a lot of new parts will be added to the bin. But this will be the last order for some time, as we have enough steps to go to over step 100. What do we have? A green panel, more green panels, flat silver hoses, and some parts for the cylinder. Some more Technic beams, all in dark bluish gray. A Technic brick. Some connector and a lot of pin and axle connectors in dark bluish gray. $100 blue pins and some blue gears. A Technic seat in yellow. More connectors also in yellow. White panels. And the part you put on the cylinder, or this is the piston. Oh, almost forgot. 2 white flex axles. In light bluish gray we do have some more connectors. That part for the piston. And more gears. In red we have a big panel, different kind of Technic beams, one more part for shifting gears, and this special part here for shifting all the gears. Really looking forward when we start the gearbox. And last but not least, more Technic bricks, more panels, a flex axle in black, and some more connectors. And now it's time for my favorite part. It's building time! This time it's not my favorite part. Unfortunately, this update we add 0 parts. No parts will be added this time. Did you guess it right? I think no. Let's try to avoid this the next time. Thank you for watching updates of the community Lambo. This is the current progress. It's the same like 2 weeks ago. If you haven't subscribed to Klemmbau, subscribe to Klemmbau. And here you can see how this started. And here you can subscribe to my channel. And the last one turns the light off.